36 now. Reunions are almost always special. Holly discovered a unique case.
I've covered many stories of adoption and reunions, but never one quite like this. This time it is the tale of a mother and her son and the unique way two adoptive parents discovered their connection.
With happy grunts and wagging tails, it's clear Twyla and George are anything but strangers.
That was amazing. You know, I could tell that it seemed like they definitely recognized each other.
These two pups have met before.
She definitely recognized him.
Their owners recently discovered these dogs are family, mother and son, revealed through a DNA test for canines.
As sort of a helicopter dog mom in a lot of dog Facebook groups, I knew it was a thing people did.
See, both Twyla and George were adopted from the Stafford Animal Shelter in Livingston at different times by two different owners. They were not brought in together, and no one knows how or when they were separated. They may have never crossed paths again, but their respective pet parents, James and Olivia, both simply wanted to know more about the genetics of their new best friends. So they each sent off for a DNA test through a company called Embark and waited for the results.
Got the results back and was pretty pleased with, the breed that he came back with. Quite a unique mix. Lots of hound, lab, German shepherd, and Australian cattle dog as well.
And also Embark has a health feature, so kind of tells you about different genetic markers that they may have and things that may appear, in life that you can kind of preemptively look out for.
The test also had another feature, one that made it possible to potentially discover your pet's four-legged relatives.
It wasn't until about a year later, which was, about last week, when Twyla's owner got her results back, and I got the email saying that, hey, George has got a relative.
The results were a 50% match, revealing Twyla is George's mom.
So I had an inkling that she had puppies. The shelter told me that when she came in that she looked like, she had a litter before, that they could tell that. So I knew they were sort of out there.
Both owners agreed the resemblance is striking.
I've always known that after getting the test, he's got the hound breed, or I've known, after getting the test result, knowing that he's got some hound breed and then seeing her, it totally makes sense. It totally makes sense.
Now both dogs live in Bozeman, so James and Olivia decided immediately they had to bring the two back together. Now this could be the first of many family frolics in the park. If only Twyla and George could tell us what they think about being reunited. But Olivia says she has a pretty good idea.
I like to think I can know what she's thinking. But you could tell, with lots of the grunting and stuff, that she was very excited.
In Bozeman, Holly Brantley, MTN News.
So it was so cool to see them meet for
That's
the first
awesome.
time, and
That's
everybody
cool.
we cried. I mean, it was pretty
That's
cool.
super cool. Yeah.
And I got to talk to James. He said as soon as the cold weather breaks, they're going to get them together as often as possible. We also found out there are several DNA tests out there for dogs if you're interested in getting one for your canine, and veterinarians say they are extremely accurate.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Super cool. Technology coming through for
I know.
family reunion.
Even for pets.
It's nice.